Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So it's that time of month again. It's collaboration time with my Beauty Over 40 girls. If you'd like to see how I created this eye look, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright, so let's go ahead with the Pride theme. Again, make sure you check out my girls. All their information will be down below. I'm actually pulling out an oldie but goodie, and as we all know, when we're creating these looks, really try not to get into, or I have to have that exact item, right? Because we can create the same look using different products. I've used a foundation on my eyes for like a really dark brow. I've used eyeshadow for highlighter. So guys, I'm saying all this because this palette I have is old, but as long as you can recreate the look, really, it's more about the techniques and not. So the palette I'm using today, again, is oldie but goodie. And sometimes I just pull this palette out when I'm doing really fun, creative, colorful looks like my backdrop here. So I'm pulling out the Morphe palette here, and I mean, it's so okay. I'm gonna say it's so old it don't even have a name, but it is the 12P palette. 12P palette, and just really beautiful colors. Very, very pretty. Again, just like my backdrop. There it is. Every color that's in my backdrop. So this is the palette I'm going to use today. I don't know which ones I'm going to dig into yet, but let me grab a transition shade real quick. All right, so I'm going to go in with this Marc Wile eyeshadow base. This is a really good base. This color is medium 10. So I'm just going to use my back of my lash applicator, and it's really thick. A little bit goes a long way. I'm pretty sure that is too much. So first we're going to lay down a transition color, and then we're just going to go from there. This is a really potent, thick concealer, which is what I feel like I've been needing lately because my eyeshadows have really been separating. So I'm going to go in with, for my transition color, I'm going to go in with Katsina from the Saharan palette. So as you can see, I'm going to go with that transition color down at the bottom, right here, all over the lid. It's like a 2-in-1. The transition color, but it's also setting my concealer. I'm gonna mix this Chad and Jamila together. You can see the Chad is black and then Jamila is here. I'm gonna mix these two just to get a darker transition color. Get some depth going here, some depth in my eye. Alright, so I just blended it out a little bit more. I didn't want it that dark, but just a little depth. Alright, so I just blended it out a little bit more. I didn't want it that dark, but just a little depth. Alright, so I'm going to use my Urban Vibez eyeshadow base, and there's not a number or anything on here, but it is white. See down in there that it's white. So I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand, and I'm going to outline. I'm just going to do something really simple but colorful. So in my head, I'm going to do this colorful wing liner, but we'll see what we come up with. So in my head, I know how I want it to look, but it doesn't always happen. So first I'm going to do, which again, if you've been following me for a while, I don't do liner that much because this eye is different from this one, and I always have problems, but we're just gonna go for it. I find the older I get that I'm really concerned about, you know, holding a steady hand while I'm doing liner. Can you guys relate? All right, so I think that's good for that line. So I want to do something here. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see how it comes out. I just know I want something really distinctive so you can see. Because I'm going to put colors on top of this. Also, I feel like I'm losing, you know, my eyelid space the older I get. You know, you get the little droop down. All right, so got my lines somewhat close. There you go. That's that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just go on top of the white and just add color, and no rhyme or reason. This palette has always given me the colors I'm looking for when, you know, when I want something colorful. I have other palettes as well, but this one always gives me what I'm wanting to do. Do you have palettes like that? Do you guys have palettes like that? Palettes that are old, like old, and maybe, you know, I don't even know if they still have this one available, but you know, I assume they have something like it. I know they have some larger palettes that has these colors in it. All right, I'm just gonna go in with pink up here. All right, and then we'll finish it off with purple. Yeah, we're just pressing that in. Obviously, I've gone outside the line. I'm just going in with a little brush when you want to play in some color. All right, next we're doing mascara, and I'm using the Idole Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. All right, I'm gonna find some lashes, fluff up my hair a little bit, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. I just put my hair up. I put a scarf. It's really hot here, so I've been kind of covering my hair so it won't, you know, give it a little break from the heat. But this is my completed look. So again, I put a scarf on. Lashes are from my website. These are the Sculpt lashes. Nude lip, Estee Lauder. This is number 101. Pure Color Envy, Naked Ambition. I put on my little fake hoops from my website. For those that don't know, I sell the fake gauges. Again, I can't commit to stretching my ears, so I just wear the fake gauges. So if you're interested in these are on my website. And that is it, guys. So this is my Rainbow Pride look. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for the support. We really appreciate it. You know, my girls and myself, like, again, they hold me down, they keep me going, they push me, and as always, I really appreciate you guys. And continue to support us, continue to support our channels, our different mini social handles. So definitely reach out to the girls, let them know that I sent you over. If there is a rainbow heart, send them a rainbow heart or just a heart, a color of your choice. And yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup, and also my second TikTok handle, which is _beauty_over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until the next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.